Yo, what's up, brokers? Welcome back to the channel. So, if you're interested in joining Cross Prediction Season 2 and want to maximize your rewards, so one of the tokens that you should know about is Bill token. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bill on CrossForge and how you can use it inside Cross Prediction. So, by the end of this guide, ready to start predicting BTC price movements and earning rewards. So, let's get started. So, step 1 mga brokers, before buying Bill, make sure you already have a cross wallet connected and some cross tokens for swapping and access to CrossForge, no? Yan. So, ito mga brokers, kailangan nyo lang guys na mag-deposit muna, no? So, tayo guys, meron tayong wallet balance na 300, no? So, meron tayong 300 cross and punta tayo dito guys sa kanilang CrossForge and then dito tayo bibili guys ng token, no? So, kailangan nyo lang guys na i-connect ang inyong wallet. So, yan. So, makikita nyo dito, connected na yung ating wallet through CrossX or Cross Extension, no? So, once na meron na kayong cross dyan, mga tol, pwede na kayong bumili ng Billions token. So, bibili na tayo, mga tol. So, bili lang tayo guys ng, let's say, worth 5 cross, no? So, yan. So, worth 5 cross, nasa 12,000 Bill token yan. And then, once na mabili natin, yan yung gagamitin natin na pang-predict sa loob ng Cross Prediction platform. So, processing mga brokers and then kailangan nyo lang i-approve. And then, yan. I-enter nyo yung inyong PIN. Processing transaction. And then, yun. Complete purchase, no? So, once na makabili na tayo ng Bill token, pwede na tayo ngayon mag-predict, no? So, punta na tayo guys sa my Cross Prediction, no? So, dito siya guys. Yan. So, once na nandito na kayo sa Cross Prediction, yan, mag-a-appear na din yan dito mga tol. Automatically, meron na kayo dyan, lalabas dyan na 12,000 Bill, no? So, and then, once na meron na kayong Bill, punta na tayo sa events para pumili kung saan tayo tatalpak, no? Or saan tayo magpipredict. So, susubukan natin dito guys yung BTC 1 minute up or down na ito. And then, magsusubok din tayo ng BTC 3 minute up or down. So, let's do this. Ayan. So, ito yung current na galaw ng market, mga tol. Medyo going deep, no? Nag-dip. Yun. Biglang palo yan. Consolidating. Round end. So, antayin muna natin, guys, no? Make sure, guys, yung rounds kasi ito, may count yan. So, antayin natin. Feeling ko pa-dip pa rin to, mga tol. So, last 10 seconds. Tapos, maglagay tayo dyan, guys, ng 3,000 Bill. Going down tayo. I-trend natin, buy down. Kaso, dito kung makikita nyo, dito tayo tumaya, no? Kaso, makikita nyo yung token, pare, umaangat. Mukhang delikado yung, ano ko, Mukhang delikado yung nilagay natin na Bill, mga brokies. Going up na yung token. Ako, yan, nagdidip. Nice one! Last 30 seconds yun. Tinamaan, boy! Nice one. Tumulo, men. Yan. So, tumulo siya, mga brokies. And then, tinan natin, mga tol. Saan papunta ang token na yan? Siya, mga brokies. Gagi, nag-pump pala sa ayos. Biglang nag-pump pare. So, yun siya, mga brokies, no? Makikita nyo, loose yun, mga tol. Loose. So, buy down tayo. Subukan pa natin before buying. So, bibigyan ko na lang din kayo mamaya, guys, ng important tips, no? Before buying Bill token, no? So, yung mga bagay na kailangan yung tandaan. Yung kung ano ko dito, yung tingin ko dito, medyo mahirap sundan, no? Mas mahirap siya sundan kung paano yung magiging galaw ng token. Yan, gawa ng ano ngayon. Hirap pag-trade pag 1 minute. So, tingnan natin, guys, no? Check natin yung ating portfolio. Then, makikita natin kung ilan yung losses natin dito sa Bill. As of now, mga brokies, meron tayong loss, no? Na 299 na Bill and then nagkaroon din naman tayo ng profit, no? Yan na plus 77. So malaki, no? Kinain to, mga brokies. Ito yung first trade natin and then ito naman yung second trade natin. So redeem natin yan, mga brokies. Click nyo lang yan, mga tol, and mababawasan tayo ng yun, 900, naging from 12,000 naging 9,000 plus, no? So we lost for today's trade, mga brokies. So and then yun, mga brokies, no? So some important tips, mga brokies, before buying Bill. So remember, guys, keep extra cross for gas fee. Double check token contracts before swapping. Start with a small amount if you're a beginner. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, mga brokies. And then crypto markets are volatile and predictions are never guaranteed, mga brokies. So that's how you buy Bill on CrossForge and use it on Cross Prediction, mga brokies. So the process is simple, guys. Get Cross, open CrossForge, swap for Bill, and go to prediction and predict BTC up or down. And if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cross ecosystem update, crypto gaming opportunities. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. So peace out, mga tol.